What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So every now and then, I run across a product that makes sense. And this product here that I'm going to show you guys in this video makes sense. Definitely if you have a smartphone and you want to use it for work, play games, or everything in between. This is the Lookstand here that I got from Amazon for about 40 bucks. And I've been using it for about a week now to test it out. And in this video, I'm going to give you my thoughts about this Lookstand in all its glory. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm going to show you my total workstation using the Galaxy Z Fold 2, a printer and a mouse and a keyboard, and this new Lookstand that I have here on this device. Now this Lookstand is really nice. You can pull it down and it becomes a stand. And I mean, like no other. And I use the Galaxy Fold in this test because the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is very heavy. So if it can hold the Galaxy Z Fold 2, it can hold virtually any device, whether or not it's iPhone or, Android, or even maybe a possible tablet. So as you can see here, I got it on the stand and it's flexible. You can, turn it this way, and again, the Z Fold 2 is a very heavy device, and I got it kind of leaning back, and you can see that it is holding up. Now, as a Galaxy Z Fold 2, you can open it up, right? And so you open it up and you turn it here, balance it, and you're good to go. So at this point, as you can see, my Galaxy Z Fold 2, now I can get work done. So at this point, I could, open up a Word document, right? And let me go to open up a Word document here. And I want to show you guys this. So open up just a regular Word document. All right, now I got my Galaxy Z Fold connected. I got my Bluetooth keyboard and mouse connected, and now I can type. All right, so now at this point I can, get all my work done without even touching the display. I got my Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and if I have my external monitor connected, I can run Dex. I can run Dex with my Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, my printer, and everything in between. Now I got a full workstation going on here. So I want to show you guys real quick on the printer. So I have this printer connected wirelessly using the Canon app, right? So if you have HP or any kind of printer, it's an app for everything to connect your device on Android. Now iOS may be a little different, but on Android it's very simple, very easy. I just download the Canon Connect app because I have all Canon printers. So I connected my Canon Connect app to my printer. We all on the same Wi-Fi, but I could do a direct connect from my device to the printer if I wanted to, which I can have a direct connect and I can do the same thing. So let me give an example. I have paper here, and now I'm still in Word. And I did this last week when we had Black Friday. Well, a couple of weeks ago, we had Black Friday. I created a flyer in my Word document. And what I'm going to do is, other thing I'm going to do is just print it. So at this point, now I can just hit File, and I can use my mouse, of course, and just hit Print. Now it's ready to print. It already have my Canon printer already synced in the device, as you can see here. So all the thing I want to do is just hit Print. And now the device is connected to my printer, and now you will see that the printer will print out the flyer. Now my ink is pretty low here on my Canon printer, so I don't know if it's gonna come out black and with all the colors, but that's not the point. The point I'm trying to make it is show you guys is that you can get work done. So for college students or business owners or anybody that need to get work done, you are able to connect your Android device to pretty much any device out there, whether or not it's printers, fax machines, external monitors, Bluetooth keyboards and mouse. As this thing is printing, one of the things I want to express to you guys is that utilize the device to the full of its potential. And this thing right here is something that you could just put on your case and it will work. Now it does have a lot of adjustments here. All right, and you could go like so shorter, or you can just use it in portrait mode. Okay, and let me go ahead and close up the Z Fold 2. Now I can use it in portrait mode without even putting the kickstand out, and there it is, right? So the print is done. So I printed this straight from my phone to my wireless to the printer, and I'm using this regular printer, and it's a Canon printer. I just wanted to show you guys that. But yeah, here it is, right? So this thing have feet that goes out like this. This thing is nice, right? Now you do have all metal here at the bottom, and the slide mechanism is plastic, but this is metal at the bottom, all right? And it goes like this, and it's fully adjustable. So I can have my device like this, or I can have my device like this, and I can turn it around and have it like this. If I want to watch my device, look at a movie or something, I can raise it up right there, and I can make full adjustments accordingly. This is dope. I like this because this say if I wanted to get some work done, right? And I got a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse connected. And now at this point, I could utilize the device to the full of its potential right here. What if I wanted to use this as a selfie stick, all right? So now at this point, I can have the device like this, and now I can use it as a selfie stick. Right? And don't worry about if it's going to fall, because this adhesive is really, really strong here of using this. So you won't have no issues. As heavy as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is, it's definitely going to hold this device up. So you can fold it like this, right? And, open the feet, right? Like I said, I've been having it for a week. I've been testing it for a week. So before I even made the video, I just wanted to make sure it works before I come here and make this video about a product that I'm going to, talk about. Now, let's make sure we understand something here. Let me give a disclaimer out before I continue this video, is that Lookstand did not send this product to me for review. This is a product that I bought, and I love it. It's been working very well for me. And I mean, if you look at it, it looks really good. You can make your adjustments here, and boom, here it is. It works so good. Look at that. It has a nice tension on it. It has a nice tension on it, and it works really good here. And look how far it extends out right there, right? And just fold it in or fold it out, however you want to do it. Extend the legs out, and again, the bottom of the stand is metal. Or you can have it like this, put it down, and now you're good to go. This is an accessory that's almost a must-have for any device. It don't matter if it's a Galaxy Z Fold 2, it don't matter if it's an iPhone, don't matter what it is. Definitely if you want to watch movies, you can practice staying up like this, make it bigger, make it long. You can use it as a selfie stick. You can use it to play games, right? You can kind of hold it however you want to hold it, and it works out great. Man, I love when I come across product that I can really endorse. And yes, so this product here, definitely get the easy sealable approval. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Lookstand in all its glory. It has different colors, so check the link down in the description and go to the pick your color and go to the grab your stand. See you guys on the next video. Peace.